It is snowing out here in Chicago, and look at him. He driving and eating.
No, I'm definitely am.
Driving and eating.
No, man.
And it's snowing out here. The roads is wet, and look at him. Look at him.
I would have been blue if what you call spill something on the demonstration. Woo! Y'all see that Hawkeye drip smack.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What you doing?
Get our ass stuck. What you talking about?
What you
I'm about
doing?
to
You
rock
laying
the
tracks?
boat right
You laying
now.
tracks?
Rock the boat right now. Fuck you talking about. Damn, we forgot to hope you don't get copyright.
Oh man, you had me body yaddy 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 yaddy. Listening to your jam. Nah. I was trying to get you busting your shit on the camera.
Alright.
Ooh, y'all see that little slip? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, there goes sis. Hey, hey. What's up, gang? Happy Valentine's Day. Look what Cooley done got me, gang. Oh, this bear is bigger than this bear is huge. Just look at him. I am in love with him. Look at his big old hands, his little heart, his head. His head is huge, like big, like. I love him. 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 Thank you so much. I love him.
Now back in my backpack.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
Tell the gang what you got for Valentine's Day.
I got a Tiffany Co bracelet.
Ooh, what else you get?
Some chocolate
And what else?
and a Roblox gift card.
Ooh, are you happy? Or?
Yes,
Okay.
but I just want my puppy.
Yay!
This shit be.
Huh? All right.
Fireball, come on.
What is up, gang? I'm not sure what day it is. I've been vlogging so many damn days, but check out the weather out here in Chicago. Whew. We got more snow, inches of snow everywhere. So we coming out here trying to take care of this. You see Cooley over there trying to get the snow blower going. But this is what we're dealing with in Chicago. All this snow. I mean, it is crazy. Look at it. Look at my patio set. Snow is everywhere, gang. Everywhere. If y'all from Chicago, I hope y'all staying warm in this weather because it is cold. Snow everywhere. Man. Definitely dealing with a whole lot of snow. Uh-oh. Hey, Snow White. Oh, my God. I haven't driven her in so long, gang. So long. Ooh, she fake look clean. I'm going to start her up. Let's see. She started up. Uh-oh. Fired right up. Fired right up. Hey, Snow White. I miss you. Ah, she sounds so good. I miss my baby. Cannot wait for the summertime. Drop that top down. Get some nice weather. Wind blowing through my hair. Can't wait. Hey, Grouchy.
was at the what? They was giving out massages on the beach, no bullshit. Nah, DR is ready right here. Come on, let's do it. Gotta ride with it 'cause I'm chosen. Let's do it.